Today we will reflect on our partners. Okay, whether you're married, you're not married, you have a partner, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, doesn't matter. Okay, you reflect deeply on your partner, the energy that you take away, the energy that is taken away from you. Is it a toxic relationship? Is it a happy relationship? Just reflect on your partner. Do not judge it. Is there scope to find opportunities that you can be grateful for? Is there scope that you can find opportunities for you to change or for your partner to change? And then reflect and deeply be grateful for what you have in your partner. Okay, and also for what you don't have. When you don't have something, what are the action points that you can take? Then reflect on and find and be grateful for the courage and the strength that you will have to make those changes. Say the things that you want to say. Be the person that you want to be with your partner. Ask for what you want. Reflect deeply and then be grateful.